quiet of the night, the candles still burn. Prayers in the wind for the day we return. Children look up with questions in their eyes, dreaming of blue skies, free from cries. We've seen the shadows, we've felt the pain. Too many tears have fallen like rain. Still in our hearts, a promise remains. Love will rise again.
Cambodia needs peace. Let the silence heal. Let broken hearts learn how hope can feel.
No more fear, no more cries in the streets. Hold us together. Cambodia needs peace.
From ancient stones to the rivers wide, our stories live where spirits abide. Hands reach out across the divide, searching for tomorrow, side by side.
Lay down the anger, lay down the flame. We're all just souls with different names. If love is stronger than hate and pain, we can break these chains. Cambodia needs peace. Hear our prayer in every breath, in every tear. Let compassion guide our steps and our dreams. Hold us together. Cambodia needs peace. Let the drums of war grow quiet tonight. Let mercy speak louder than the fight. For every life, for every soul, peace is the dream that makes us whole. Cambodia needs peace now and forever. One heart, one hope, standing together. From the ashes rise faith and belief. We stand as one. Cambodia needs peace. Whisper it softly, sing it aloud.